introduce yourself.
I'm Iman. I'm a 1A CS student here at UW.
Hi, I'm Razi. I'm a second year student.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm a second year in 2A, and I'm in math.
Hi, my name is Eden, like the garden. But you can call me Only Chance. I'm currently a third year majoring in CS, customer success. But I think I'm trying to transition more towards a more diverse major, such as gender studies at Western.
Oh, my name is Ethan, and I am in my first year in math.
My name is Noah. I'm a first year in honors mathematics. I want to go into pure mathematics.
Hello, I'm Shreyas, first year's honors math student, and I like CS, and I'm CSC.
Hi, my name is Kevin, 2A CSBBA. I'm part of the reps team for CSC. Let's go reps, best team.
How have midterms been so far?
Yeah, so far midterms have been pretty tough, pretty challenging in my opinion. I had to study for a lot of midterms in a very short amount of time, so there was some cramming, but I think I was able to pull it off at the end.
It's been okay. I haven't had all of my marks back, but I think I did alright.
They've been okay. I feel like I could have studied for them more, but I've had other commitments. But I think I'm doing okay.
Midterms. I love midterms. Which midterms are you talking about?
It's been pretty okay. There's been some highs and lows, and yeah, I think I'm doing pretty good so far.
How have midterms been? Midterms have been crap, as usual. Midterms suck. I had 10 of them, so I got one more next week. Yeah, so I've been doing well. I haven't failed any yet, so that's a plus. I probably will fail one soon though, so fingers crossed. But
The ones that just happened.
Oh, like my Sci 238. Oh, I love that astronomy midterm that does not exist in Sci 238.
Only two of my courses had midterms, and both of them went fine. I'm doing fine so far, but yeah.
Mostly fine. Only my math 147 midterm was soul crushing. Everything else was okay.
What do you think of UW so far?
Oh yeah, being a University of Waterloo student is an amazing experience. Being part of all these different communities, for example, the computer science club, it's really rewarding being part of a social circle like that.
Outstanding university. Cool people here with similar interests to me and similar humor.
this is a terrible, absolutely terrible school. Oh my god, this is the worst place I've ever been in my entire life.
I think it's a bit harder than what I expected when I initially came here, but I've gotten to learn a lot of things and meet a lot of people and find new hobbies, so I'm liking it.
I think it's a good school for sure, but yeah, it's tough.
Yeah, I really love Western. I think it's a really great university, and that's why I'm actively pursuing to join their gender studies committee. I think there's real change to be made in that field. It's very innovative.
Honestly, I have been enjoying my time here. Although my classes have been very stressful, though that's partially my fault for taking all the advanced classes. But besides that, the professors have been amazing. The environment has been pretty good, and yeah.
It's a lot of work, to be honest, but it's fun. Like the people you meet, kind of people you meet here, you want to do work with them. It's just a lot of fun, but also a lot of work. You know, like till 7 a.m. once, which is some days exciting and fun, but it is what it is.
What is your worst/best co-op experience?
Well, see, I've only had one, so it's my worst and best, but it's really only my worst. So basically, I went to this really whack small company where the founder was some really old guy who's a prof at Brock, and he didn't know how to code, he didn't know how to do anything. I couldn't talk to him, it was really bad. So yeah.
Well, so far I've only had one co-op experience. For that one, I was a volunteer research intern, and for the most part, I was a mathematical analyst where I took in data and found optimized algorithms to process data.
So I've only had ever one co-op experience so far. I worked at a startup company, and it was actually a really good experience. I learned a lot because I was working with like a lot of different things. My only complaint was that it was a very, very small company and I didn't make that many new connections.
But there was one little incident during my co-op term where I was asked to make code, but then I accidentally, instead of making a pull request, I accidentally merged it into masters. So that was pretty bad. But all in all, I think my co-op's been okay.
I was a camp counselor at McDonald's over the summer, and I really loved interacting with the chickens. Yeah, I think I learned a lot from them.
How's your co-op search been so far?
Yeah, I love searching up chicken coops. Yeah, I lived in them once for my co-op, my coop term.
So the co-op search this term has been pretty good. This term I got pretty lucky and a friend referred me to a company, and so I'm chilling.
It's good. I found one in first cycle, which I'm really happy about because doing co-op interviews is kind of a nightmare. So I'm happy I don't have to do them anymore.
Very, very difficult. I have had exactly 0 interviews, and I'm starting to consider applying externally.
What is your worst co-op interview experience?
So my worst co-op interview experience was I was doing a technical interview and my brain just decided not to work that day and I wasn't able to do anything right, and honestly it was just kind of, I felt embarrassed in the moment. Looking back, I think it was a good learning experience. I'm glad I experienced it.
There was this one interview I had where the interviewer was like, in addition to the 8 hours workday we need you to commit, we also need you to work on this code at night. Are you capable of committing to that? And then when I asked him how much I got paid for that, he was like, oh no, we expect you to be dedicated to this job.
So I tried interviewing these chickens in the coop, but they pecked at me. So I sort of bled a lot. So now I'm filing McDonald's for a lawsuit.
So I went to this one interview in first year for a QA position, and this guy started asking me riddles in the middle of the interview. He's like, if I have a baseball bat and a baseball and they sum to $1.05, like and one is like 10 cents more than the other, like how much does it cost? And he did that for like a solid like 20 minutes. And he was like, do you have any questions? I was like, I got it right in the interview though. And then they ranked me and I put them not interested because it was whack as hell.
Where's your favorite place to study at UW?
Oh, so my favorite study spot in University of Waterloo is, it has to be E7, 5th floor, close to the windows overlooking the plaza. I know a lot of people go there, but that was like my first study spot, so it holds a close place to my heart.
I used to be in one of the computer labs over there, but I think recently I've been hanging out at the CS Club more and also the Pure Math Club.
The St. John's library is pretty good. A lot of sunlight, a lot of windows, unlike MC.
If you answered that question, then it wouldn't be my favorite place to study.
That answer is stolen.
From who?
Maya. That's what she said at orientation.
But it's true, though. That's actually the real answer.
What's your favorite item to buy at C&D?
Samosa.
Coffee.
I'll be honest, I don't really shop at CND much because they don't take Black Card and I have a lot of deal plan and flex dollars to go through.
What is your hot take about CS?
My hot take about CS is that engineering is better.
For people who have past experience in CS, it's more work than you think it would be. Even if you do have past experience in CS.
It's pretty good for the students that are in it, and from what I've heard, people are finding it challenging, but they're learning stuff.
What's your favorite programming language?
It's probably Go.
My favorite programming language is Java.
I used to be really good at C++. I used to use it a lot before I came to university, but I've had a friend who showed me how C works, and I've decided I kind of like C more now.
One of my favorite languages is whitespace. So whitespace is designed to be extremely readable. This is because the only allowed characters, we all know them. They're space, tab, and line break.
What is your favorite thing about the CSC office?
These two are like this is stuff. Everyone in there is really chill. I can ask questions and get answers. I can just sit around and find a place to put my stuff. I can ask questions about CS and like there's always someone who's better than me, so they'll be able to help me out.
It's in MC, and that's really close to my res.
The best programming language?
Haskell.
Haskell.
C++.
C++.
Haskell.
What is the best programming language?
Mandarin Chinese.